everybody, hope you're all well. Guys, I've got a pretty cool thing to tell you all. My Fibonacci course, the Fib Booster, is hopefully in its final draft that I've just sent off to my slideshow man to make it look really cool. I'm pretty stoked about it. It is the longest course as far as content goes out of all of them, and I've made a bunch of stuff in there that I think is going to benefit you guys massively. So I'm running a competition. To enter the competition, it is pretty straightforward. Number one, you need to go and subscribe to the podcast, the TraderCobb Crypto Show. All you need to do is write a review. If you can write a review, take a screenshot and do the same to the TraderCobb business page. That is the TraderCobb page, not the Craig Cobb page. If you can write a review there about how you like the content or whatever you think, take a screenshot of both and send it to admin@tradercobb.com. You will go into the draw to win the Fibonacci Booster course free of charge. Now, if you're not subscribed to the bi-weekly video newsletter, you're missing out on some other fantastic competition. So go to tradercobb.com. We're giving away free content in there at the moment. All you need to do is subscribe. You get 2 video emails per week, and that is it. Simple stuff. So go ahead and get stuck into that, guys, and enjoy it. Now, having a look at the markets right now, we're just going to have a look at Bitcoin, just see where it is. Why? Because everyone's talking about it. I want to give a bit of an analysis as to what I see at the moment. For a start, I'm just going to throw in volume. You know that I don't trade with volume, but I do like to have a look at it from time to time, and one of those times is now. Today, very small volume, but if you have a look through the last 3 days of buying, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, all closed, good, strong buying. Compare that to the buying that had been going on back here, the buying and selling. You can see we are jumping into quite a high volatile period at the moment. We actually haven't seen these sorts of strong volumes. We usually associate these with big buying or large selling, and you can see the volume has come back more so to the buyers recently. Buyer, not so much winning by the sellers across the board here, and you can see that represented there by the green candle. So quite interesting there to see what's going on. The volumes on these days are starting to increase. It doesn't necessarily mean it's more buy volume, other than the fact that it's a green candle, just simply because that means that if there's more buyers and sellers, the candle closes bullish. We've seen 1, 2, 3 days of bullish momentum. We haven't seen that since way back here, and to be honest, before then, we're back in this nice sort of run back here. Before then, last time we saw 3 bullish days that were actually moving quite nicely, like we have here and here, was back over here. We do have a little bit of momentum in this market right now. Don't be surprised to see it pull back a little bit. However, we are starting to see it trend. Here's our 4-hour, higher high, higher low, higher high. A pullback in. Will I look for a trade? Not just yet. Why? Because that daily is still trying to work itself out. The momentum is not strong enough just yet. We've got consistent buying momentum, but we haven't got a huge amount of buying going on just yet. Now, I'm going to get rid of that volume because it doesn't need to be there any longer. What I'm waiting to see is how we hold around 9,000, and of course 10,000 is our next level. If we can get up through 9,000 and hold, sorry, we are through 9,000. If we can hold 9,000 over the coming days, I think this 4-hour trend will this 4-hour trend will start to play a little bit better. I'd like to see another pullback in, creating a higher low, and then push on to a new higher high. At that moment in time, I may start to consider some shorter term intraday trading opportunities. But for the now, I've gone through, I did my top 100 scan this morning with my live trading floor and diamond members, and we came across a grand total of 2 charts to be stalking. So right now is a fantastic time to be working on other areas of your trading and your investing. For now, the best thing that you can do is go ahead and do a review on the TraderCobb podcast. That is the TraderCobb Crypto Show, and review on the TraderCobb business website. Send that to admin@tradercobb.com and go into the draw for the Fibonacci Booster course, which will be released in time for you all to go out and get started throughout Easter. So guys, all the instructions will be below the video here across the socials. Have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you all again very soon. Bye for now.